The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
We had some fairly complicated legal work to go through to actually transfer the ownership of the project to us, but that's now done and dusted. And as of the end of the end of December, it's 100% owned by Aftermath. So that's for us, it's nice to have full control over the asset.
Welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom, and joining me now is Ralph Rushton. He is the CEO of Aftermath Silver. And Ralph, it's great to see you again. How are you?
I'm good. Happy New Year to you all.
Yeah, happy New Year to you as well. And company out with some news talking about completing the official acquisition. So the Barangay project is now under your thumb, so to speak. And maybe just talk about that milestone for the company.
Yeah, that's correct. It's a process we started in 2020 when we first announced the acquisition of the project. So it's been a long time coming. We've had to make a series of stage payments along the way. It's about $21 million Canadian in cash and shares, and that's all been wrapped up. We had some fairly complicated legal work to go through to actually transfer the ownership of the project to us, but that's now done and dusted. And as of the end of the end of December, it's 100% owned by Aftermath. So that's for us, it's nice to have full control over the asset.
It's an important asset for the company as well. Just remind everyone a little bit about it and sort of the work that's been done up to this particular point.
Yeah, it's a large silver copper manganese project in southern Peru. We're currently drilling there, so we're on our third phase of drilling, doing some exploration drilling, doing some drilling around potential infrastructure points for mine planning. I'll be going down to review that the end of this month with some colleagues of mine. And it's potentially a source of silver, copper metal, and as of yesterday, copper hit an all-time high price, so the timing is good for us there. And manganese, a crucial battery metal. So we have three potential products, all of which at the moment seem to be flying high in the commodities markets.
When you talk about the drilling part of it, you said you're still drilling right now. It's three key objectives you're kind of looking for as far as the drilling is concerned. Can you sort of highlight some of the things that you are hoping the drilling will tell you?
Yeah, we have some additional exploration targets on the project that we'd like to put some holes into. One is a copper target on the eastern side of the project, and the other is a copper gold target towards the southwest of the project. We've got infill drilling, as I said, on areas where we're looking at key infrastructure. And we'd also like to collect some sample material for additional metallurgical test work. So with the funding that we completed in December as well, we raised another $20 million. So that's now fully funded, and we can really push on with the engineering studies over the next 12 months and hopefully get this to the point where the market appreciates the valuation as much as we do.
Yeah. And lastly, Ralph, just having a 100% ownership in the project gives you so much more flexibility, I guess, and able to make decisions really without having to consult anyone. That's a key part of this, right?
It is. For example, for us, the concession package that we hold down there are certain areas on that we don't believe have potential. We don't believe they're the areas that we would like to hold for example, future mine infrastructure. So yeah, we're now in a position where we can reduce those land holdings and reduce our holding costs accordingly. So yeah, that's the kind of stuff that we can now do without having to consult our partners. Yeah.
All right. Well, we look forward to hearing more about the drilling, and hopefully we'll get a chance to talk to you when you're down there as well. So, Ralph, thanks so much. Great to see you again.
That'd be a good plan. Yeah, look forward to it, Steve.
All right. Look forward to that as well. Ralph Rushton, the CEO of Aftermath Silver.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.